Well, we're finally moving into I am finally moving into my new apartment.
Yeah, buddy.
Whew.
Let's
Well.
do this.
And we'll put my guitar down.
Oh. So where you want me to set this one?
Just sit on the floor.
Okay, I'll just lean it up against the bed like
Okay. Hey, what's that?
Huh.
Oh. A book too. The Evil Bad Guy by Mr. Willie. Pretty weird. Whoa, what's that say?
Oh, it's creepy.
Let me see. I will be back to haunt you again and kill you. I love, hate.
Wait, what?
Love, hate.
Disturbing.
Your dear friend, Skelly Guy.
Skelly.
Who's Skelly Guy?
I don't know. It's disturbing though. Like that Skelter, Helter, that guy from the '70s or whatever. That Helter Skelter, the murderer.
Yeah.
The name sounds like that. It's creeping me out.
Yeah, maybe it is him. That'd be creepy though.
Yeah, it would be weird.
What's his book?
I don't know. Someone's probably pranking us.
The Evil Bad
You know,
Guy.
people do that.
Yeah.
Probably just done.
Evil Bad Guy by Mr. Willie. Yeah, that's a bunch of crap.